Hey guys, what is good? It's been a while since I made a video. Apologies for that, but I have a really interesting one for y'all today about a watch I picked up recently from a German brand called DEKLA, D-E-K-L-A. And just, before we get too far into it, I just want to let y'all know I was really impressed with this watch. It's a lot of watch for the money, and it offers a lot of real value and a lot of real innovation even. And so DEKLA is a German brand. They make their own cases, they make their own hands. In fact, the only thing they don't make in this watch is the movement. This is a Swiss-made Sellita movement. I think it's the SW200 in this watch. And it's just a really well-made bit of kit. Now, one cool thing about DEKLA, as I did a little more research on the brand, is that they really let you customize the watch a little bit. For example, you can have it in a stainless steel case. I have this in a PVD case, so it's got that that carbon black look about it. And you can change up the dial color. You can change up the red seconds hand. They even have a steel hardening technology, which seems to be pretty common in German watches. You can even get that. The nice thing about this brand is that it is a real bargain on the secondary market. I mean, a real bargain. We'll get more into pricing and stuff like that, but let's just take a look at the case itself. 40 millimeters, 20 millimeter lugs, screw down crown. And like I said, a really good looking watch, a simple watch, very legible, easy to read dial. It's got that kind of traditional 936 layout with a big triangle at high noon, and just very simple, very reminiscent of like a Damasko, another German watch, or very reminiscent, of course, of a Sinn 556. I love that watch, and this really reminds me of my 556 ARS. And yeah, I really liked it. It offers tremendous value for what it is. And it offers you a little bit of a different look, I think, than a lot of just, field type watches or pilot type watches. The fact that it's 40 millimeters and with a very short lug to lug make it, very wearable, I think, for a lot of different wrists. And of course, the 20 millimeter lug width means it's easy to put it on straps. I've got mine on a simple silicone strap. I love these straps. They're really easy, very interchangeable. But it comes with a high quality leather strap. I don't think there's a bracelet option. Let me get this thing on the wrist and we'll talk a little bit more about it. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I'm back, and all right, let's see what this thing feels like. So 40 millimeters diameter, 20 millimeter lug width, easy, so nothing complicated there, and just fits really light, really comfortable on the wrist. No stress, and it just looks really good. I think it'll look good on a wide variety of wrists, and I really like the watch. I think it offers tremendous value. Talking specifically about the pricing, you have to really think about secondary market pricing if you acquire watches like I do. The MSRP on this has gone up in the last couple of years, like a lot of watches. So this I think this version goes for around maybe 750, 800 US dollars. Used to be a little less than that. It used to be around $600, and at that price, it's a crazy deal. But on the secondary market, you can get this watch for $500, maybe even less than $500, like $450. For a German-made watch with a manufacturer case, dial, hands, and a Swiss automatic movement, it's 200 meters water resistant. Just super good quality. I think that's really hard to beat. I mean, I'm telling you that at $450, I mean, that is less than half the price that you would pay for a Sinn 556, which has basically the identical specs. The Sinn is going to be a little bit smaller. That's more of like a 38, 39 millimeter case. This is a true 40 millimeter case, but at half the price, I mean, it's hard to argue against DEKLA as being a really smart option. It's about half the price of a Damasko. Damasko you may be able to get around $800, maybe their DS model. I'm talking, of course, about their older ETA movement, not their newer manufacturer movement. But I really like the DEKLA. I think it looks really cool. I like the PVD case. I think it's awesome, but if you don't like it, I mean, they're also available in stainless steel cases. It's a cool brand. It's a cool German brand, and I think they make an honest watch at a good price. On the secondary market, it's a really good price. And you can just see it on my wrist there. It's simple, it's low profile, it wears easy. I really enjoy it, and I think that the PVD case makes it maybe wear a little bit smaller, but still wears just super nice, super nice. And so if you're in the market for something German, a tool watch with, you know, manufacturer case, manufacturer dial, manufacturer hands, Swiss-made automatic movement, and your budget is like less than $1,000, if your budget is $500 or less, this is a terrific watch on the secondary market. I don't see a lot of difference in this watch than my Sinn 556. I really don't. I think they wear very similar. I think certainly the movement is identical. The water resistance specs are identical. And I think an advantage that DEKLA has is that they let you customize the watch if you were to buy it from the manufacturer. So I could have gotten this with a blue dial and like a yellow seconds hand in a stainless steel case. So I mean, I could do whatever I want with it. Anyway, as usual, I'm going on and on, but I thought you would be interested in a budget-conscious, budget-friendly German tool watch brand. You know, I mean, watch prices are interesting. It seems like MSRP for watches are only going up, you know, so the price of watches and the availability of watches from retailers, you know, the volume of watches that they provide to retailers is going down, and the price of those watches is going up. But on the secondary market, I mean, there's so many good deals to have, and I would just really encourage y'all to, you know, think outside the box, you know, whether that is, you know, Rolex, Omega, you know, Sinn, Tudor, Longines. I mean, there's a lot of really fun, really cool brands like DEKLA out there that are making watches that are just as good at super good prices. I really like this. I mean, I think this is going to be just a really good, honest travel watch, outside watch, field watch, tool watch for me for a while. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Again, as always, let me start and end with an apology. I'm sorry for not putting out more content more frequently. I've been traveling a lot recently, so I've been just really enjoying seeing new places, meeting new people, experiencing new things, but I promise you, got some more videos coming up for y'all very quickly. Guys, take care. Check out this watch. This is the DEKLA, D-E-K-L-A Turbulenz. I'm sorry, I never even told you the name. The Turbulenz, T-U-R-B, how do you say T-U-R-B-U-L-E-N-Z, Turbulenz is how they spell it. Really cool watch. Guys, take care. God bless. Be safe. And coming at y'all with some more content soon. Okay, guys, bye.